Hi everyone, so I'm going to make outfit for Pubg. First thing you need to do is to make a character. I take a screenshot, front and back. You can see. Now it's easy for you to just simply trace it and then draw your design on it. It is that simple. Let me show you how you can do this. First, you need to draw the body. We need front and back view, so you can trace it like this. If you want to download this image, you can find the link in the description, and then we will sketch our design on it like this, then color it. You can use some reference images, but don't copy someone's work. Well, I can show you the process of this illustration, how I draw this outfit, but you cannot copy it. You need to make your own design. If you think you don't have any ideas for your outfit, you just need to relax and start drawing. And don't forget to use reference images. You can use Pinterest, but don't copy someone's work. Just take some ideas, random ideas, and make your own changes. If you look at my work, you will see that I redraw it many times until I'm happy with the design.